Hello and welcome to this video on finding a mentor or a coach who can guide you. Whether you want to grow personally or professionally, having a mentor or a coach can be a game changer for your success. But how do you find the right person for you? In this video, we will give you some tips and tricks on how to find a mentor or a coach who can help you reach your full potential. First, let's clarify what a mentor and a coach are. A mentor is someone who has more experience and knowledge than you in a certain field or industry, and who can share their wisdom, insights, feedback, and support with you. A coach is someone who helps you discover your strengths, weaknesses, goals, and action plans, and who keeps you accountable and motivated to achieve them. Both mentors and coaches can help you grow and improve, but they have different roles and approaches. So how do you find a mentor or a coach who can guide you? Here are some steps to follow. 1. Identify your needs and goals. 1. Before you start looking for a mentor or a coach, you need to have a clear idea of what you want to achieve and what kind of help you need. 1. Do you want to learn new skills, advance your career, start a business, improve your health, or something else? What are your specific and measurable goals? What are the challenges or obstacles that are stopping you? What are the areas that you want to improve or develop? 2. Research potential mentors or coaches. 2. Once you have identified your needs and goals, you can start looking for potential mentors or coaches who can help you. 2. You can use various sources to find them, such as online platforms, social media, networking events, referrals from friends or colleagues, or your own personal contacts. 2. You can also look for people who have achieved what you want to achieve, or who have similar backgrounds or interests as you. 2. When researching potential mentors or coaches, look for their credentials, testimonials, reviews, availability, fees, and compatibility with your personality and style. 3. Reach out to them. 3. After narrowing down your list of potential mentors or coaches, you need to reach out to them and express your interest in working with them. 3. You can send them an email, a message, or a phone call, depending on their preferred mode of communication. 3. In your message, introduce yourself briefly, explain why you are interested in working with them, what your goals are, and what kind of help you are looking for. 3. Be polite, respectful, and professional in your tone and language. 3. Also, be prepared to answer any questions they may have about you or your situation. 4. Establish a relationship. 4. If they agree to work with you, congratulations. You have found a mentor or a coach who can guide you. 4. The next step is to establish a relationship with them based on trust, respect, honesty, and communication. 4. You need to set clear expectations and boundaries with them regarding the frequency and duration of your sessions, the mode of communication, the feedback process, the confidentiality agreement, and the payment terms if applicable. 4. You also need to show up on time, follow through on your commitments, be open to their suggestions and feedbacks, and express your gratitude and appreciation for their time and effort. 5. Evaluate your progress and results. 5. Finally, as you work with your mentor or coach, you need to evaluate your progress and results regularly. 5. You need to track your achievements, challenges, learnings, and feedbacks, and see if they align with your goals and expectations. also need to ask yourself if you are satisfied with the relationship and the outcome, and if there is anything that needs to be improved or changed. 5. You can also ask for feedback from your mentor or coach on how they think you are doing and what they suggest you do next. Finding a mentor or a coach who can guide you can be one of the best decisions you can make for your personal or professional growth. By following these steps, you can find the right person for you who can help you achieve your goals and overcome your challenges. Thank you for watching this video on finding a mentor or a coach who can guide you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos.